Let's look at this one. Here's another input-output table. So we're going to look at the input, that's W, and we're going to look at the output, that's V. Notice what I did first. I put the input letter down, and then I put the output letter down. So that reminds me of what I'm actually going to do. I'm not going to change the letters. I'm going to use what they have. And now I have to look at the input. My input, does this number get bigger or smaller? 2 to 12. It gets bigger. There are two things that we can do operation-wise to make things bigger. We either add or we multiply. What do you add to 2 to get 10? Plus 10. All right, let's try that. 4 input plus 10, does that equal 24? No, that equals 14. Okay, so adding's not working this time. Let's try, hopefully multiplication's gonna work. What do we do to 2? What do we multiply that by to get 12? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I multiply it by 6. Let's try that one, fingers crossed. 4 times 6, 24. 6 times 6, 36. 8 times 6, can I finish this now? Of course I can. So my rule for this input-output table is I multiply times 6. W times 6 equals V. So I have to describe this pattern. I'm going to say it's an increasing pattern. The numbers are getting bigger. And what do I notice about all these numbers? They're all even numbers. That's what I'm noticing about my input-output table this time. Now, can input-output tables only get bigger? No, of course not. They could get smaller too. Let's try one of those. For this one, I'm going to do my input as, let's put it as C, and my output as V. Okay, so C, something to it, equals V. And I'm going to go 10 and 2 and 20 and 4, and let me go 30 and 6, and you have to figure out what I do for 40. Well, okay, there are two operations that make numbers go down. I can either subtract 8 or I can divide by 5. Let me try subtraction first. Subtract 8. 20 minus 8 equals, well, it equals 12. So that's not working. All right, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. How about 20 divided by 5? It equals 4. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. So my rule is C, input, divided by 5 equals V, my output. You just have to look and see if the numbers in your input-output table, are they increasing or are they decreasing? If they're increasing, you're going to try addition or multiplication. If they're decreasing, you're going to try subtraction or division. And then you're going to take the variables next to the input and the output and then write what you did. For this one, W times 6 equals V. You're going to try it.